Bullish Ergo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8.06 and $15.22 by 2030. Market investigators accept Erg could reach $6.27 by 2025. Bearish Ergo market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.43. Ergo presentation. Ergo is a blockchain with DeFi functionalities. It has a special mix of top highlights from two of the best performing crypto projects, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ergo gets shrewd agreements from Ethereum for its DeFi capacities and utilizations a POW agreement like Bitcoin for getting its organization. Ergo's mining convention is classified Autolycos, which is a changed variant of the mining convention utilized by Bitcoin. This convention is intended to oppose ASIC excavators and huge mining pools, making it profoundly energy productive. Ergo additionally restricts the digging size for every hub, which further battles the negative natural effect of the POW convention used by Bitcoin. The Ergo token. Ergo likewise enables designers to assemble dApps on its programmable blockchains, which are utilized by Sigma SD and Ergo Sales Management Firm, among numerous others. Ergo has a one-of-a-kind point of view contrasted with other programmable blockchains like Ethereum, as it doesn't need exchange or gas expenses. We will likewise be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, greatest cost, current cost, most extreme worth, and any Ergo's endlessly cost rise. This framework's critical benefit is unsurprising advancement costs, permitting engineers to know the specific costs and choose if they wish to construct dApps on the Ergo stage. One more variety in the Ergo blockchain is ErgoScript, Ergo's prearranging language, close by giving engineers more prominent adaptability and usefulness. The language permits clients to make scripts at low expenses proficiently, with the Ergo group continually working to make the program safer and proficient. The Ergo network is turning out to be more qualified to DeFi applications with time. The Ergo blockchain's local token is Erg. The stage has a POW model, where clients need to purchase or mine tokens on an optional market. Erg tokens are disseminated through block rewards, with an all-out supply of around 97 million. Ergo key examination. Ergo is supported by serious scholastic exploration, drawing on many years of blockchain improvement and coordinating attempted and tried systems to construct a strong blockchain establishment and execute fresher, imaginative cryptography. Our Ergo research tracked down the stage to have strong basics. Beneath, we've talked about a portion of Ergo's top elements, effectiveness and unwavering quality for financial backers searching for help in genuine monetary exchanges. Ergo is the best stage. It can uphold dApps that run typically, permitting clients to execute a plenty of undertakings with known costs. The stage's shrewd agreements can foresee whether a code will run effectively and the amount it will cost. Openness. Available administrations are a critical component of worry in the cryptographic money market. Frequently, common clients don't get to use a similar security levels as diggers on a stage, however not with Ergo. Ergo permits all clients to lead and completely check their exchanges with most extreme certainty without downloading the blockchain. The NIPOPOW framework empowers clients to get to the stage on any gadget, utilizing just 1 megabyte of information. Security. Ergo's Sigma conventions empower clients to do errands that would somehow be exceptionally costly, dangerous, or tremendously incomprehensible. Ergo furnishes application-level security with trustless contents that can get to blenders without outsider intercession. Ergo current cost. Ergo is as of now worth $1.79 USD. Erg has moved 1.55% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,718,494. Ergo is as of now positioned 233 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $100,835,145 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ergo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ergo value expectation 2023. Ergo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Erg cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2.69. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.51 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Erg is supposed to have a base worth of $2.15. Ergo value expectation 2024. In 2024, Erg cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Ergo will before long outperform $4.48. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Erg's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Ergo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.58 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.94. Ergo Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6.27 and Ergo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ergo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.73 and a low of $5.37 in 2025. Ergo Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Ergo effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the Ergo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Ergo will be green in 2026. The Ergo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $8.06, with a base cost of $7.16 and a typical cost of $7.52. Ergo Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Ergo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9.31 by 2027, with a base cost of $8.95 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Ergo has a most extreme value worth of $9.85. Ergo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11.10. On the off chance that Ergo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $11.64. Neglecting to assemble the help Ergo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $10.74. Ergo Value Forecast 2029. While Ergo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $12.53 and a yearly cost close above $13.43 in 2029. Ergo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Ergo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $14.32 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $15.22, averaging out at $14.68. Ergo Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Ergo cost in 2031 is projected to be $17.55 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $16.83. Our Ergo value forecasts are formed on specialized examination, as it were. We utilize ongoing Ergo market information to refresh our site with dynamic Ergo cost expectations, utilizing specialized pointers like our